where I'm going to give you some tips on using your July Amazebox. Ask me any questions. I hope this is helpful. Let's get inside. So the first thing you're going to find in here is a full-size bottle of the Time Setter setting spray. This is perfect to use if you don't have a priming spray, to use before you apply your makeup and then after you apply your makeup to really help seal everything in. If you're in a super hot area or you have a tendency to your makeup will slide off and things, I highly recommend using this after you do your skincare, before you apply your makeup. Then if you apply foundation or concealer, apply it after that. Then do your powders, apply it after that, and you can add, you're not gonna add too much of this stuff. It will help keep your makeup looking more vibrant and in place where it should be all day. The next thing you'll see is a full-size Making Waves, a waterproof mascara. This stuff does not budge. So when you go to remove it, I highly recommend getting a make-off remover spray. That will really help, or if you have the Midnight Oil Cleanser, that will also help remove it. How I like to apply it is this. So here's how I like to apply it. I like to twist it out so I'm not pumping air in, and I like to go to the base, and I already have mascara on, but the base of my lashes and really coat them all, and then kind of start spinning the wand up. That way you can continue coating the lashes as you move upward. You can always go back in and add more layers. I find that on the bottom, sometimes it's easier to go in like this, more so vertically than horizontally. The last thing that you'll find in your Amazebox in July is a sample of skin polish. I love this stuff. It's so good at exfoliating your skin, but also keeping it nice and hydrated and moisturized. So what I recommend doing for this is using it at nighttime. So take your makeup off first, cleanse your skin, and then go in with this with your skin a little bit damp, and you'll rub it together on your fingers and then rub it all over your face. Okay, exfoliating it for about 30 seconds just to give it a good scrub, and then leave it on for like 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all of the moisture to soak into your skin. Once you're done, rinse it off, apply your moisturizers as you normally would at nighttime, and then feel how soft your skin is. If you have any questions about this month's Amazebox, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help. I hope you enjoy it. If you don't yet subscribe to the Amazebox, which is what this is, and you don't know me, my name is Audrey, and I'm more than happy to help you grab one. What it is a subscription, monthly subscription beauty box that comes with at least one full-size product, either makeup or skincare, and often more than one full size, just like in this month's. It comes with sometimes minis, sometimes samples. It's $42 with free shipping, but you're always guaranteed to at least get $50 worth of product inside, and most of the time it's significantly more than that. So, and it's an amazing way to try different things out. I'm always here to help you learn how to use them, and if you need help grabbing one, please let me know.